Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, Nyabara uyu uri na umenyero munene wa mubira wa Kenya augite riu nimamatanetie na athaki ake a Wazito. Kimanzi uria woereire kirabu giki mwaka muhituku etikitie kirabu giki kiri na kiria giothe kirabatarania kuhotana rigi nene kimera giki.
You are building the team, but at the same time we are also trying to to learn a lot together, in terms of the players, learning a lot from the technical bench, also to the technical bench, trying to pick a lot of positives from the players and see if we can build something.
Gukiri uguo Nyabara uyu ni ugite kuri na ucindani munene kimera giki akiuga atongoria rigi kwa ihinda riri Tusker FC onao mari na mweke mwega wa gutamba.
Tusker at the moment, to be honest, they are the best team in the league at the moment. You see, they are more fluent. They have been winning without a lot of struggle. I think last 2 weeks they also lost a match. But in terms of the team that I've seen at the moment in the league, with a good team balance, they're also very fluent in whatever they want in the game.
Francis Kimanzi ekwaragio hingo ya gutugwo ta Nyabara mwega wa mweri wa Januari mwaka uyu kugeria heanagwo ni arũgamĩrĩri ligi ino Bet King.
It is not that I'm special, that in any way, that in any group I will win this award. No, it is the group that I work with that I believe that brings everything, gives me a lot of energy, because also a coach needs some motivation, and the motivation I get most is when you have players who believe that whatever you're doing is the best.
Wazito mari namba 6 murugamo wa metha na une thutha wa mbitika-14 na kuria mamathite point 24. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo kuria wa Gicimu.